Hey guys, here's our RYOBI corded circular saw to speed up our DIY project. We bought this as it has 1500 watts power and 4 years warranty compared to other brands in the market for less than $100 at Bunnings. So first, make sure you have all the components and read the instructions and safety guidelines before starting. To install the blade, you'll find the hex wrench on the side under the handle. You'll need to loosen the hex bolt on the outer surface of the blade. You'll then need to find the spindle lock tab, which is near the front handle. You can then loosen the hex bolt while depressing the lock. Once this is done, remove the bolt, washer, and outer flange. Now, to install the blade, you'll need to make sure the saw teeth match the direction of the saw guard. Reinstall the components and tighten the hex bolt. Again, make sure the spindle lock tab is depressed while tightening the bolt. Now check that the lower guard can be retracted and check that the blade is spinning freely as you turn it. If you notice the blade wobbling side to side, check that the hex bolt is installed correctly. To install the parallel guard, simply slide it through the slots to the desired width and tighten the screw. For safety measures, we left unboxing the blade to the end, just after we put on our PPE. We also used an outdoor vacuum to reduce sawdust and had to make do with the attachment we had, but now we're all ready to go.